Welcome back, guys, out here for another freaking episode of a Will It Start. We are on Highway 60 in Plant City, Florida. I actually had a fan that called me this morning, and they were interested in the cameraman position, but we've actually filled that, guy. So thanks for everyone that shot me emails. Cameraman will be starting in about 2 weeks. Anyways, so he said, hey, there's a truck sitting out on Highway 60 next to, I think it's Turkey Creek Road, and here we are. We found it, hopped on Apple Maps, and called the company. We're here at Gillespie's Auto and Service. Gillespie's Auto and Service. Really great people. The fellow we met inside there is a really nice guy, and he said go ahead and get out there and get started on it, and his son will be here in a little bit to welcome us and see what we got going on. So we've got a white 4000. I'm not sure what year this truck is, but it is an old PTO driven style truck that drives the winch on the crane. And you can see down in here where there are all kinds of chains and gears and sprockets and all kinds of crazy stuff to make this tow truck do what it's supposed to do.
And that's directly off the drive shaft too.
Yeah, very, very neat, no doubt. So let's open the door and see what we got inside.
I don't think it's a turn.
Uh-oh.
I think it's maybe just push or pull.
Ruh-roh.
Uh-oh.
It may not open.
Uh-oh, Raggy. Maybe the other side?
I don't know. Let me go to the other side.
At least the doors are closed on this one.
I know, right? Maybe we can open the hood.
Windows.
The hood looks like it's unlatched. Let's open the hood on it. There's also an old Dodge tow truck here. Maybe we'll try that one next if this one don't start or vice versa. We shall see.
This one definitely comes with a good handle to pull on.
Oh, that's hot. Should have got some gloves. What engine's in it? I wonder if it's got a Cummins in it. Or a two-stroke Detroit would be really cool. Oh, he's got a big old Cummins in it. Engine does look like it's sitting a little sideways, don't it? Yeah, she's sitting a little sideways, but it's in there. Maybe it'll start. Who knows? We're getting bit by something. Freaking haul. Here we go. There's no handle on that side.
I guess it ain't gonna open inside out.
I don't know how we're gonna get it open. Well, we're not off to a very good start at all. All right, so I'm on the other side here because that door over there won't open. Trying to get this window to open. What's stopping it? I think it's just the rubber. Breaking it. Is this hitting right here, Aaron? All right, so there we go. Finally got that window open. Now I can get in here. Am I at the handle? I can't really see it. This will be the most challenging one. It's gonna be like, can we get the door open? Not will it start?
Will it open? There you go.
Well, looks like you would pull it up. Now we roll the window down. We'll start there. I don't know why I didn't think about that first. All right, guys, so I've got the window open here. I'm gonna try to get this door handle here is like broke off. A pair of vice grips. If we can't get that to open, we may have to crawl through. Come on. Dang it. I don't think I'm gonna fit through this window. I'm too dang fat. I guess I don't really have a choice. That headliner looks a little spooky. I'm not made for this. Ugh. This ain't safe.
Better you than me doing it, Bruce.
All right. Hang on. Push on it. Ha-ha, there we go. All right. Door's open. We got a key that works. Let me see which one of these controls the, there it is. So this old Cummins has got a compression release. And that's what this is right here. So we're gonna need to pull that to get it started. We did find some batteries here. So it's got batteries in it. Let's not close that door. And I was just talking to the owner, and he said that he put these batteries in it like 2 or 3 years ago, and they were tinkering with it and couldn't get it started. And the batteries went down, so they just kind of gave up on it. So it's got batteries in it that aren't too old, but they are completely dead. And we've got these brand new jump boxes I've been dying to try out. So let's check the fuel real quick. Ooh, that's hot. There we go. Oh, brass fuel cap. I'm surprised a crackhead ain't been out here to steal that and scrap it. They got diesel in there. That thing is hot as fire too. Good Lord. All right. Door is open. We know what does that. It's in neutral. Let's go grab these jump boxes. So these jump boxes here are a 10,000 amp, which is a freaking lot, guys. Good all starting jump boxes. And I bought them from JB Tools. They're like the main people that sell them on the internet. I'll drop a link down below, so if any of you guys are interested in them, you can go there and grab them. We have not even, we used that one I think once, but we haven't used these things at all. And they're only a 12 volt, so that's why I bought two. But they've been known to start pretty much anything with no batteries in it whatsoever. So that one says 92% charged right there on top. So there's one. I feel like we're Men in Black opening up some legendary like weapon. That one's at 93%.
Is that a flashlight on the back too?
Yes, it is. Is it on? All right. Let's go into action.
Yep.
Now we've made it over here extremely fast. We're gonna hook our brand new jump boxes. These things are virgins. Wait a second, something, we got negative, positive right there. Make sure we get a good connection. Let's see if we got anything in the truck to turn on. No, it's not happy. I think we've got to do like an override or something like that. All right, battery on this side. I hear the jump box over there having a conniption fit. All right, jump boxes are engaged. This one over here is beeping and getting mad. Oh, it says something about the voltage, it looks like. I don't know. Let's see if it'll spin over. That's not good. All right. It's in neutral. If I can get in here. Dang it. Got the compression release pulled. Come on, baby, come on. Cheech. Come on, she's trying. Is it trying?
Yeah, it's trying to. It's blowing smoke out the exhaust.
I think one of our jump boxes just stopped. All right, so we're gonna have to do. I love a Willet start. Is we're gonna have to turn them both on at the same time so they don't time out.
3, 2,
1. Light the fire. All right, let's get this thing started. Come on, baby, Cheech. Come on, baby, Cheech. Come on. She's trying. Is it blowing white smoke? You know what I think she needs? A little bit of Cosby in a can. That should do it. Come on, sweetie, fire! Is it white smoking still? Yeah! It's alive! Come on, baby, stay running. We got oil pressure. Is it blowing black? It's staying running. Oh, you know what we didn't do is check the oil. It's got oil pressure though. It was probably running. Let's see if it'll build enough air pressure to release the brakes and maybe we can drive it around. Might get lucky. Well, she's alive, folks. We're gonna close the hood and they said, hey, if you can get it moving, move it for us so we can mow the grass where it's parked at. So. My nose is getting to me bad, the allergies. Go ahead and bring the camera here, show them the dash real good. You know, believe it or not, this thing built air pressure like instantly. It's got 120 pounds air pressure just sitting here. That's crazy. I spoke too soon, ain't got no brakes. The brake pedals froze up. Is the tire spinning? There we go, the brake drums are stuck. All right, I'm gonna turn it, make sure we don't hit nothing. I can't see anything. Come over here to this side and watch that Dodge. Are we good? Oh my goodness. This thing might as well have manual freaking steering. Are we good? I've ever seen a steering gearbox geared so freaking low. Come on, baby. This gearbox, the steering is geared so low. I can't imagine actually having to use this thing for work. I think to get like full lock all the way one way to the left is like 8 or 9 turns. It's crazy. Absolutely bananas. Good. All right, so this thing is holding air pressure right now. We're gonna go ahead and cut it off, go over there and kind of look around the ground, see if there's any oil leaks or anything. That's got good oil pressure right now sitting here idling. It's sitting at 60 pounds of oil pressure right now. Yeah, she's stone dead. I don't think we're gonna close this door all the way. We'll roll the windows up for sure to keep maybe preserving the interior some still. That should do it. All right, let's check the ground over here where it was sitting. This thing has definitely been here a hot freaking minute. See where the tires were sinking into the ground. They said the last time they really used it was probably like 8 or 10 years ago for work when it was registered with Roads Legal. But that truck's been sitting quite a while. So you seen that loud pop it made when we tried moving. That was the brake shoes stuck to the drum. Wow, I must be allergic to something right here. I'm about to pass out. So anywho, let's walk inside. We'll tell the Mr. Gillespie, thank you for letting us come out and wheel it start on one of his trucks here. This old Dodge is really cool. Maybe we should show them that right quick. So right here we got this really old Dodge truck you guys saw in the background. I definitely wanted to make sure we mentioned it. It's got an old V8 big block in it, probably a 440 or something like that. I'm not sure. I've never seen fenders that open like that to get in there and work on the engine. It's almost, I would almost call this thing a cab over because the way the cab sits so far almost up over the engine. It's got a little tiny hood, but pretty neat. This one was probably like the original tow truck from years ago, and that one right, that old white right there replaced it. And well, you see right here, Mr. Gillespie said he's been here since 1957. Pretty dang crazy. So let's clean up our jump boxes and we'll hit the road. All right, so here we are, Gillespie's Auto Parts and Service. Parts, fuel injection, and tune-up. We're going to head out. Do you have a phone number or a cell phone I can send you the video to later?
813.
Sure. What was your name again?
Larry.
Larry, okay, cool. All right, Larry. Well, I'm Bruce. It was nice meeting you. Had fun. I'm going to get with you about that other tanker truck.
Yeah.
Coming out to start it. It'll be cool. This place, I know you live here every day, and you see this thing, nothing new to you,
yeah.
But it's really cool. It's just a piece from the past. It's kind of like how the old hardware shops like in Dade City that aren't there anymore, like Ace Hardware, you know. People are going to miss it when it's gone. They don't say that now, you know, but pretty neat. Hope you guys enjoyed that wheel it start video. It started raining down hard on us. We had to jump in the truck. Make sure y'all guys smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, because we've got more Will It Start videos coming at you, hopefully once a week is my goal. Also visit the BruceWilsonShop.com for your Will It Start merch, the t-shirts, keychains, and the rest of our blue collar accessories. We'll catch you guys later. Peace.